you're experiencing frame stuttering in Apex Legends, follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. This guide will help you troubleshoot and optimize your settings for smoother gameplay. Step 1. Update graphics drivers. Ensure that your graphics card drivers are up to date. Visit the manufacturer's website, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel to download and install the latest drivers, as updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Open Apex Legends and navigate to the settings menu. Lower the graphics settings such as texture quality, shadow quality, and anti-aliasing. Reducing these settings can help improve frame rates and reduce stuttering. Step 3. Disable background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may consume system resources. Use the Task Manager to identify and terminate any programs that are not needed while playing Apex Legends. Step 4. Optimize game launch options. Access the game properties in your game launcher like Origin or Steam and add launch options to optimize performance. Common options include Nova to skip the intro video and High to prioritize the game process. Step 5. Check for hardware issues. Inspect your hardware for any potential issues. Ensure that your CPU and GPU are not overheating, and check that your RAM is functioning properly. Consider upgrading your hardware if it does not meet the recommended specifications for Apex Legends. By following these steps, you should see an improvement in frame rates and a reduction in stuttering while playing Apex Legends. Enjoy your gaming.